Have you ever been trying to remove mill scale and it just sucks and takes forever? Well, I'm going to show you how to remove it quick and fast and easy. So first off, what is mill scale? Mill scale is that grayish stuff coating that's left from the process of hot rolling out sheets of metal. Now, you can get away from and not have mill scale at all if you buy cold rolled or pickled and oiled, if your metal supplier will provide that stuff for you. So I'm going to show you how to remove it quick, fast, and easy. Strip discs. Now this is a 4.5 inch purple strip disc. Liwo. First time I've bought this brand, but these are my go-to for removing mill scale off of everything. It removes rust, it removes paint, and mill scale. It does not take metal away though. That is the key thing about these. They do not take metal away. You can use a flap wheel or a 36 grit sanding disc to take mill scale away also, but you're also taking metal away. If you don't want to take metal away, these strip discs are the way to go. And they have them for your roll locks also, for your air tools. So I got all this off of Amazon. I buy them boxes, I buy packs of 10 plus because I use them all the time, and you can use these quite a bit. You get a lot of use out of these discs. So let's get into it and I'll show you how quick and easy this is. Now I won't edit or speed cut any of this. I'll just show real time how fast I can remove this remove a section of mill scale off of this piece. All right, you see, that was, I don't know, a matter of a minute. Now, I cleaned all that and all that along the edge. Now, you only need to do this where you're welding at. That brings up this thing. Why would you want to remove this mill scale? You want to remove the mill scale when you're welding, MIG welding or TIG welding. I don't arc weld or stick weld, so I don't know. But especially with TIG welding, this will really mess with your welds, cause all kinds of havoc. MIG welding, I never used to do it, but once I started removing this before I MIG weld, made night and day difference. Highly recommend you remove it for MIG welding as well, especially TIG welding. And look at that, it's barely even used. Now, one thing I want to say is these things do chip off. You can fling out chunks. So mind the direction of your grinder and do it to where it's spinning off the thing. Not, I wouldn't want to do it like this where it's spinning into it because it'll catch that edge and throw a chunk off. So spin it off the material. That goes with anything. So I would rotate this around and I would go that way to do this. Spin it off your material. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So check the rotation of your grinder, your angle grinder for your air tool, and run it off the material. These things will last a lot longer. But hey, you can't beat those results. And then something else you can also do is I take 80 grit on a DA and clean it up even more. Now that piece right there is ready to weld. If this was going to where it wasn't going to be able to be seen afterwards, you could weld through primer this. Or if that's just your piece of metal and that's the finished product and you want that look, that's ready to spray. So I hope that helps you out some way or the other. Quick and easy, removes mill scale. It's my go-to. Highly recommend you give it a shot. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, notifications button, and share these videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.